Okay, this is a meat case, a 40-foot meat case. And the customer complained that the fogger system stopped working. So I removed the old fogger system and I installed a new aftermarket fogger system. And as you can see, here is the controller, Aqua Fogger 4ST. All right, so I'm here to make a few adjustments. As you can see, the tubing is on the outside of the pipe. I've decided to run the tubing on the inside of the pipe to make it look a lot cleaner. And this is what commercial and industrial appliance repair we are promoting, the installation of fogger systems for all the meat markets to keep that meat looking nice and humid and healthy. All right, like it is looking. The meat really looks healthy. All right, so this is Curtis with Commercial and Industrial Appliance Repair, signing out.